The court building of the Sub-Divisional Court, Amlarem, was inaugurated on 27th March 2021 by the Chief Justice High Court of Meghalaya Biswanath Somader in the presence of Minister Law James P.K. Sangma and Minister Home Lakmen Rumbui. Other dignitaries present at the inauguration were judges of the High Court of Meghalaya R.V. More, H.S. Thank You and W. Dengdo, along with senior court officials and government officials. Inaugurating the new building, the Chief Justice said that the infrastructure will enable the judiciary to better serve the people. He also emphasized on the need for active support and role from the government in providing better infrastructure which will pave the way for people to access a more effective justice system. Speaking at length on the Alternative Dispute Redressal ADR system, the Chief Justice said that Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority provides an effective alternative dispute resolution mechanism. He said that the Legal Services Authority provide legal aid free to women and all those in need, especially to the marginalized section of the society that are unable to afford legal representation and access to court system.
This building was completed.
Give the access to the people, not only to the justice, as we know that the Sub-Divisional Court has functioned 5 years back.
And I am so proud and honored to be present here today as part of this function, to be part of this very historic moment. Dear friends, I feel very honored that as a Minister in charge law, I have been very fortunate to be of service to the judiciary, to be working alongside our Honorable Chief Justice